to me. Just to tell you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, ain't nobody doing it.
Like, what is this? Like, who would think of this? Like, potato water? Like, who would think of that? Come on now.
Potato water.
What's up?
Breathe, my boy.
What? Yo, that's crazy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Another episode of Jail. I'm your host, Mike. Sure you may have heard about him before. I'm also here with Jam Family.
You already know it's your boy Quanboy. Follow me on Instagram, Quanboy323.
Oh man, it's your boy Justin.Gloo here. You can follow me if you want to.
Go in the description. There's a bunch of links in the description. You know, if you got an Instagram, you know, some stuff down there for you. Snapchat. Go. Today we're watching a video by RM, the one and only. This is Forever Rain. It's a music video. Just by the thumbnail, looks a little different. You know, looks very different. You know, reminds me of, you know, like some type of book.
I feel like it's gonna be a sad song.
Dang.
Like,
Do look sad. This does look sad. You're right. We're gonna go ahead and get into that. Be sure to get to like over 1K subscribe to the channel. You know,
All his
last
videos look
trying to look patient.
notification. Yeah. This a potato? Oh, that's water. I'm tweaking. I thought it was a potato. That's crazy. Oh yeah, we're finna get right. Yo, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's a bunch of water.
Sales?
Come on, how? You about to? Yo, they finna go crazy, right? It's beautiful.
Bro, I knew it was gonna be a sad song.
Oh, he's
talking to him.
What is my boy on?
This dude was sad. Who broke this man?
This is intense. Like, this is intense. Like,
He wants you to feel
He
his
has no
pain,
face.
bro.
I'm feeling it. He has multiple faces now. Bro, what jutsu is this? Yo, the Itachi thing. Bro, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Tsukiyomi.
Come on, bro. Come on, yeah. Come on, bro. Yo, that man. Yo,
That
I
man
like
is
that.
Tsukiyomi right now.
I like that.
He's sad. He trapped in this Tsukiyomi. He wants to get out.
Wants to get out.
This anime go hard though.
Yeah, come on. If this was on Netflix,
But look, everybody under their umbrellas and like he embracing the rain. Like he don't want to float. He want to walk. He want to be different.
he want to
What
walk.
you mean?
Everybody can float. He wants to walk.
He want strong legs.
He wants strong legs.
Look at that.
Yeah, this
They're
is
all
different.
weird.
They're all weird. And he's just normal. The normal guy.
It's the best part. He snaps.
Yo, bro, my boy is like articulating perfectly, like. It's like some heavy metaphors going on. I don't fully comprehend. It looks pretty cool though.
He's snapping. It's the flow.
He talking on the mic for 4 minutes straight. Like, I know this is straight bars. What are these monsters? Bars.
Oh, they going down.
This is like bro. I've been saying this for like a year and a half now. Like, come on, bro. Like, their videos are like past any level that any American artist is on right now. To me, just to tell you, I'm sorry.
Yeah, ain't nobody doing it.
Like, what is this? Like who would think of this? Like, potato water? Like, who would think of that? Come on now,
Potato water.
dude.
It's a raindrop.
Right.
Just a drawing, like.
Bro, that's
you seen it though.
that's planetary devastation, dude.
See, I told you he on a jutsu wave. Like,
Bro, that's planetary devastation.
this looks.
My man.
What if he drew the whole video himself? No cap. Would that not blow your mind? Do you think he could do it though?
If he did that,
And he didn't know how to draw rain. That's why it looks like a potato. And all these, bro. I'm trying to really get the metaphors right now, bro.
It's blood.
No, it's not blood.
Why would you draw a potato for rain?
No, he didn't draw a potato. Bro, listen, focus, bro. You not focus. Oh, it's over? That wasn't it.
What's that?
So that was very different. I'm gonna say that. Great video, one of the most unique videos I've seen this year, guaranteed.
My boy RM out here speaking them heavy sap bars.
Like
he out here.
you heard every word he was not mumbling, bro. He's not a mumble rapper, bro. Come on now,
straight.
bro.
It was just straight bars.
Straight
4
straight
minutes
bars.
of straight bars.
Yeah, y'all sleep. It's okay. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me what y'all thought about the video. It's a really good video. Even tell me what y'all thought about the song, because I know he was spitting facts in it. Be sure to get a like on 1K, subscribe to the channel, enjoy notifications.